Yeah, yeah. See? You know it. You know it. You know, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Yep, yep. I don't know what the fuck you did.
That I should hate the hood, but it's real niggas like me that make the
like watch it. Oh. That poor lady like looks so shocked.
No, I can't.
She's throwing herself out there. Like, you don't just throw, you don't look. She threw it, her car then looked.
But she didn't even signal.
Usually Thanksgiving, I usually go to signal right goes left.
Go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it.